Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds f and th. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the f sound in the word free. Free, free. Now the th sound in the word three. Three, three. Now I will use them both in a sentence. If you buy 3, you get 1 free. If you buy 3, you get 1 free. If you buy 3, you get 1 free. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!